How you doing today? Doing great. Alrighty.
Oh, you work on car here, huh?
Yeah.
I'm working on car before, but I'm quick. You do the body shop or?
No, I just build it myself.
Oh,
I'm putting a Corvette motor in that car and just have a good day, man. Here's the tea. That's gonna be the most annoying thing you will ever hear come out of my mouth. So this is great because I actually wasn't planning on filming today because right now I am currently working on a hydro install on my not yet LS3 350Z. I honestly didn't deem it necessary to make a video about just installing the FDF stuff and the Sicky hydro in the car, just because it's really tedious. Like I have to pull the hub out, take the dust shield off, pull the axles out, and it's just like a lot of tedious work. And I feel like, I don't know, maybe I'm just overly critical of myself, on myself. But anyways, didn't realize this was coming. Yeah, I don't know how to read that. Yeah, I can't read that, guys. Yep, neat. I do want to give you guys the tea. So, my R33, right? The R33 four-door did not come in a GTR variant, which, that being said, did not come with the wider fenders, front and rear, which for some people is fine. I can't stand narrow bodies. The GTR looks so much better because it's a little bit wider. So I have some news for you guys today. I'm gonna actually first, before I get started with this, I'm gonna show you guys a picture of what was called the Autech GTR. Autech made a four-door R33 GTS 25T into a GTR. Look closely at the fenders. There's not a huge difference, and those of you who haven't focused a lot on the R33 four-door or the R33s or just GTRs in specific, GTRs have 30mm and 25mm wider fenders naturally. So the nice thing is for these, you can fit GTR front fenders, which I did purchase. It's on the way from Japan currently from JDM Buyer. But neither Autech nor any company in the world has ever made a replica over fender kit to make it look exactly like the GTR. And I've been searching for literally months. Trevor from JDM Buyer and I have literally been searching for every possible kit out there. I don't want anything crazy. Like, there's a bunch of kits out there, but they all look pretty ricey. And I'm like, I just want something really, really clean that I can mold to the body, make it look exactly like a GTR with four doors. And today, we have that. After a lot of research, somehow coming across a Instagram page with like 300 followers, this body kit was from Russia. And these guys are called Mad Arrow. Lifesavers. Oh, what's that? Oh no, where did I put it? Oh crap. Did I just throw a razor blade on the ground? Yes, I did. Oh, this is very smelly. Oh my. Oh yes. I can't say I'm super hyped that it's fiberglass, but it works. I did mention I have real metal fenders coming for the front. But oh my god. It's here, boys. It's actually here. I wish my wife was here so I could see it holding it up, but oh my god, the fitment is like, uh-oh, the fitment is crazy. Oh my gosh, this is one of the best kits I've ever tried to I've literally ever just like mounted on a car just to test. Oh my goodness, dude. I can't wait till Victoria's here. All right, before it falls. Wow, this is crazy. So obviously it's ugly right now, and yeah, but this is the first piece. This is only the first piece of the kit. One thing is this little thing right here. Hey, will you shut up? This is the first piece of the kit. It comes with this, and then it actually comes with a piece that goes over the door and extends the door out as well. Because the biggest thing about making these wider is not just the rear fenders. In order to make the kit work, you actually have to mold the door out as well. Back into the stinky zone. God, there's little testicles all over it. I mean balls. Oh my god, the environment's gonna hate me today. This literally fits almost perfectly. I need to get some of these stupid balls out, the styrofoam balls out from underneath this, but that will actually fit. Oh my God. Oh yeah, this big chunk did not help at all. Oh, I need to get all this crap out of here. Is it starting to rain again? Poop. So as you saw, it's gonna go from the door to there, and it's going to evenly match the width of the fronts. One of the best angles of this car, I think, is from the front, especially since I have one of the really rare bottom lips from the late gen R33. The big thing is, when you get here, it's just not wide enough. It just needs a little bit more flair. It would just make the car so much more aggressive. So boys, I want you to know, we're doing it right. This car is gonna turn into a 4-door GTR. Minus the RB26 because they're overpriced and they still suck. Much better. So these are now clean, but it's still raining a little bit. So I'm gonna need to go to the store and grab a 32mm 1/2" to get this off. I'm still gonna be trying to get some of this done today, but I'm way more excited about doing this. And some very amazing news. This is an awkward angle to hold the camera. The R33 is officially registered in the United States of America. It has Texas plates on it. It is federally legal here in the USA. So she's officially home. And I wanted to let you guys know that. So because of that, I'm now gonna be driving this sucker around as kind of a daily, between this and this. Sorry, you're gonna have to fight for the spot, but I've driven you around enough lately. Plus you use 93 and it's easier to fill you up. Oh shoot, it's raining. Yeah. Hello? Oh, he just moved to Japan, dude. That's his dad. It's his dad. Say hi to dads. All right, have some fun. Rear-wheel drive is so fun, dude. All right, bought a 32mm socket and some paint to finish up the engine bay on the Z, and we're going back home. Don't do that, guys. Don't do it. And that's the right size. So we're gonna break that off. This is a pretty big process, but big shouts to FDF app. And actually, if you guys pay attention to the next few videos, we're going to be giving away a Sickie Hydro. One of you guys is going to be getting a Sickie Hydro for free. So if you want a Hydro e-brake, make sure you keep watching the videos, and I'll give you some info on it.
Okay.
No. Here we go, so it stopped raining and got most of it on. So it fits, like this is, out of all the fiberglass kits I've ever gotten, this is probably the one that fits the best, which is funny because some guy in Russia makes these in his garage. I can tell that he takes his time with it. So one reason why it's not fitting perfectly right now is because I need to take this little side skirt or like little body kit thing off. You see, like it doesn't go on all the way right now because this little body kit right there. So and it's literally like, it goes on a lot better than this. One thing I do want to let you guys know is not only are we doing this, I got a whole new rear bumper coming. I've got a whole new set of side skirts coming, and then I have the GTR metal front fenders. I'm gonna do my absolute best to mold this kit to the car. I like to not have any rivets showing, so it's gonna be a hell of a process, but this is cool. So this is a 30mm over fender kit. I think the fronts are 25 or 30. I can't remember what the fronts are, but 25 or 30, and then these are I think 30 in the rear. And you can kind of see it has that same sort of flare out like the GTR has. It's gonna be really cool. So once I get this all situated, it's going to fit a lot. Well, it's not touching this, but it's going to end up going in a little bit, and it's going to fit pretty flush. So this is from Mad Arrow. Seriously, some random guy I found on Instagram and made these, and I saw a kit on a 4-door, and I was like, that's amazing. You can't fit very aggressive specs on a stock body 33, and as much as I really would like to transform my cars into keeping them stock body, this is one of those things where I'm matching a stock body to look like another stock body. So it's not gonna be wide body necessarily. It's literally just a 30mm over fender that I'm bolting on and trying to make really, really nice. I would like to see this guy go places. So if you guys have a 4-door and you're sick and tired of seeing that really silly narrow body, I would advise you to check out Mad Arrow. He didn't ask me to do this. I will put a link in the description for him because it's very cool. So here's a little stock body look, wider body. That's gonna look so nice. I should have everything at the end of May or something like that. So the container is coming here. It's got a few cars on it. None of them are mine this time around. I've got enough on my hands. So I'm gonna give you guys a challenge. I'm gonna start a series of challenges. I'm gonna say like 3 videos. So maybe 3 challenges and 3 videos. Today's challenge, I want you to be genuinely kind to a random person today. I mean, it'd be nice to, you'd be kind to your dad or your sister or your mom, whatever, your grandmother, but like, if you're at a store, convenience store, if you're at a gas station, if you're out shopping, if you have a waiter or waitress, focus on just being really kind to the person. Like, say their name. Look at their name tag, say their name, say, thank you, Dave. Thank you, Rachel. Have a good day, Rebecca. Whatever it is. Like, I'm very bad at making up names, obviously. I would challenge you guys to just be loving, despite skin color, tattoos, beards, hair, whatever it is, like, despite what they look like, despite what they act like, just be kind to at least one person today. Or tomorrow, whatever. Some of you guys are like on the pot at like 10 p.m. So, and like whatever, so be kind to somebody else. Anyways, just focus on trying to be kind. My challenge for you today. Anyways, love you guys. Make sure you check out Mad Arrow, and big thanks to FDF and Sicky for what I couldn't install today. But super psyched that I got this done, and this came in today. So, see you guys. Bye. I got 2 videos for you, boys. 2 videos. You're gonna need to watch them. Okay, I just actually got a call from the president, and he said that you need to watch them, or else the world's gonna explode. So I would do that. Yeah.